Hello everyone, welcome to the Innovative channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone Fatal Error or Dev Error 6036. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So many of PC and Xbox users are facing this issue while playing COD Warzone. So to fix the issue, first of all just go to start menu and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue. So after checking update, just restart your PC and hope so your error is fixed. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.